Before humanity discovered steel, before electricity illuminated our cities, and before artificial intelligence began transforming our world, there was copper, a silent witness to humanity's greatest achievements, a metal that has journeyed through thousands of years of history and continues to shape our future today. But what makes copper so extraordinary? Why has humanity depended upon it for more than 10,000 years? And why, despite our technological advancements, tonight, we begin to uncover one of civilization's most remarkable stories. Thousands of years ago, our ancestors made a discovery that would forever change the course of human history. Hidden beneath the Earth's surface was a reddish gold metal unlike any they had ever encountered. Unlike stone, it could be shaped. Unlike many other materials known at the time, it possessed remarkable versatility. Humanity had discovered copper. Long before written history began recording our achievements, copper was already accompanying us on our journey towards civilization. Archaeologists have uncovered evidence suggesting that humans began utilizing native copper over 10,000 years ago. It would eventually become one of the earliest metals to transform human society and inspire technological innovation across ancient civilizations. Entire chapters of human history have been defined by our relationship with materials. We have named ages after stone, bronze, and iron. Yet, remarkably, copper has remained present throughout them all. It has never truly left us. Perhaps this is what makes copper so extraordinary. While civilizations have risen and fallen across millennia, copper has quietly endured. Empires have disappeared into the pages of history, yet this ancient metal continues to serve humanity in ways our ancestors could scarcely imagine. Consider, for a moment, the modern world surrounding you. The lights illuminating your room. The smartphone resting in your hand. The computer connecting you to millions of people across the globe. The rapidly evolving technologies of renewable energy and electric transportation. Hidden within nearly all of them lies one common element: copper. It remains one of the world's most important conductive materials, making modern civilization possible through its remarkable physical properties. Yet science tells us that copper's significance extends beyond conductivity alone. Copper possesses an extraordinary balance of characteristics rarely found together within a single material. It conducts electricity efficiently, resists corrosion, can be recycled repeatedly, and remains highly workable even after thousands of years of technological advancement. Nature itself appears to have gifted humanity with one of its most versatile materials. Interestingly, copper is not the world's most conductive metal. Silver surpasses it in electrical conductivity. Yet humanity overwhelmingly continues to rely upon copper. Why? Because greatness is rarely defined by a single characteristic. Copper represents something far more remarkable: a harmonious balance between performance, durability, abundance, and adaptability. Throughout history, it has consistently offered humanity precisely what civilization required. Whatever perspective we choose, they remind us of something timeless: that human creativity knows no boundaries. Throughout this series, we have begun exploring copper's remarkable journey across civilizations and centuries. Yet perhaps the greatest mystery surrounding copper is not what it has accomplished in our past, but what role it will continue to play within our future. Scientists predict that humanity's growing transition toward renewable technologies will dramatically increase global demand for copper in the coming decades. Electric vehicles, renewable energy systems, advanced communication technologies, smart cities, artificial intelligence infrastructure. Copper will remain an essential component connecting these extraordinary innovations. In many ways, humanity's future may continue depending upon one of its oldest companions. And perhaps there is something beautiful about that realization. The ancient and the modern are not opposites. They are chapters within the same remarkable story. Copper has quietly accompanied humanity across thousands of years, not because it demanded our attention, but because it earned its place through timeless usefulness and extraordinary adaptability. Some materials change history only once. Copper continues changing it every single day. I am the creator, and our journey has only just begun. In our next episode, we will venture deeper into one of humanity's greatest fascinations: geometry itself. Why do symmetrical patterns inspire wonder within us? Why does nature repeatedly reveal extraordinary mathematical beauty throughout the universe? And could the copper tensor represent something even more fascinating? A timeless dialogue between geometry, science, and human imagination. Until then, because the greatest discoveries are not merely found within history, they continue revealing themselves to those who never stop asking why.